Hi, I am Vivek, and in this video, I'm gonna explain how I did my assignment 5. Okay, here I copied my codes and output in the Word file so that I don't have to open the IntelliJ again and again for problem 1, problem 2, problem 3, and so on. Okay, so in problem 1, I created a program that reverses the order of words in a sentence. The program expects a variable number of words using Java's features, which is written as string words. This allows the method to attempt any number of words as input. In the main method, I printed the original sentence and then called the reverse sentence method. Uh, inside inside this method, I first checked if the output is empty or null. Then I used a loop that starts from the last word and moves to the first word to build the reverse sentence. While building the sentence, I converted all words to lowercase to maintain consistency. After that, I capitalized the first letter of the final sentence and added a period at the end. Finally, the reverse sentence was printed as output. The output it goes like this, and we jump into the problem 2. Here I developed a program that reads integers from a text file named input ex to the text. To accomplish this, I used scanner class along with the file class. First, I opened the file using the scanner object. Then I declared the values to store the sum, count, and average. Then I used a while loop with the condition has next integer to continuously read integers from the file until no more integers are available. For each number read, I added it to the sum and incremented the count. After reading all the number, I closed the file scanner. Uh, then I calculated the average by dividing the sum by the count while also checking to avoid the division by 0. Finally, the program printed the total count of number, their sum, and their averages. Here the output is like this. Okay, let's jump into the problem 3. In problem 3, I designed a circle class that represents a circle using its radius. This demonstrates object-oriented programming concepts. The class contains a private instance variable called radius. I implemented a constructor to initialize the radius when an object is created. I also added getter and setter methods to retrieve and modify the radius. To provide functionality, I created two methods. One method calculates the circumference using the formula 2 times pi times radius. Another method calculates the area using the pi times uh, radius square. I also overrode the toString method to display the radius in string format. In the main method, I created a circle object and displayed its radius, circumference, and area. Similarly, for the driver for circle, I created a driver class to test the circle class. In this program, I created two circle objects with different radius. I modified the radius of one circle using the greater methods. Here I using the setter method. Then I retrieved both radii using the getter methods. Next, I calculated the displayed the circumference and area for both circles using the circle class methods. Finally, I printed the string representation of both objects using to the string method. Here's the output for the driver for circle, and here's the output for the circle. Let's jump into the problem 4. In problem 4, here I have to write a program that represents a point xy in the 2D Cartesian plane. The class contains two private variables x and y representing the coordinates. I created a constructor to initialize these coordinates. I implemented greater methods to access the x and y values. I also created an equals method to compare whether 2 points have the same coordinates. Additionally, I overrode the toString method to display the point in coordinate format. In the main method, I created 2 point objects and displayed their coordinates. Then compare them using the equals method to check whether they are equal. After that, I reassigned 1 point to have the same coordinates and verified that they were equal. Here's the output, and that's all. Thank you.